Hi, it's Vicky from Think Vitality Nutrition. Today I want to show you my favourite breakfast smoothie made with my protein, coconut, protein superfood blend. I love this one because it's versatile and it tastes great in any type of smoothie that you like to make. Now, first of all, Vitamix. It's my favourite smoothie maker. We add some ice, about a couple more of ice. Kale. Obviously kale gives you lots and lots of nutrients and it looks great too. Banana. Frozen bananas are really good as well, so when they start to go a little bit brown, pop them in the freezer, and they just obviously can be a substitute for ice as well. And coconut water. Really hydrating, antibacterial properties, great for you. A little bit more. You can use normal water, you can use any type of milk, nut milk. I just find the coconut water is nice and light and keeps a real freshness to the smoothie. Okay. And last of all, our protein. What I love about this protein powder is it's textured. It's different, it's not like your everyday protein. You can see the actual superfoods in it. Pepitas, chia seeds, we've got almond meal, hazelnut meal, are just a few of the things that make it so great. One scoop. Over to the blender. And excuse the noise. And all done. As you can see, it's a beautiful green colour. So this keeps me going all day. I usually make extra and I pop it in the fridge in an airtight container, and it's great for an afternoon snack, or if you don't have time for lunch, for a quick meal on the run.